Welcome back to Auto Street, the place where passion meets performance and every car has a story to tell. Today we're diving deep into something truly special, a car that blends heritage, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. This legendary nameplate has returned with a modern soul, and in this video, we're going to explore everything from its breathtaking exterior and luxurious interior to its performance, technology, and expected pricing. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, it's clear that Mercedes has treated this icon with immense respect. The design is a perfect balance between classic inspiration and modern aggression. The long sculpted hood instantly reminds you of the original 300 SL, while the wide stance and flowing body lines give it a futuristic presence. The signature Gullwing doors make a dramatic comeback, and they're not just for nostalgia, they're engineered with lightweight materials and advanced hinges to make entry and exit smoother than ever. At the front, the slim LED headlights blend seamlessly into the grille, which proudly wears the large Mercedes emblem, framed by subtle chrome accents. The rear is equally stunning, with sleek LED taillights, a sculpted diffuser, and dual exhaust outlets that hint at the power lurking beneath. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2026 300 SL feels like stepping into a luxury lounge mixed with a high-tech cockpit. Mercedes has focused heavily on premium materials, with fine Nappa leather, brushed aluminum, carbon fiber accents, and optional sustainable materials throughout the interior. The seats are beautifully contoured, offering both comfort and strong lateral support, making long drives just as enjoyable as spirited runs on winding roads. The dashboard is dominated by a wide digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless glass panel. The interface is intuitive, responsive, and customizable, allowing drivers to tailor the driving experience exactly to their liking. Ambient lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood inside the 300 SL, with dozens of color options that subtly illuminate the cabin. The steering wheel is a work of art, featuring touch-sensitive controls, paddle shifters, and a flat-bottom design that adds to the sporty feel. Mercedes has also equipped the car with a next-generation voice assistant, allowing drivers to control navigation, climate, and media with natural voice commands. Despite being a performance-focused machine, practicality hasn't been ignored, as there's decent storage space for a grand tourer, making it suitable for weekend getaways as well. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL truly shines. Mercedes is expected to offer a high-performance hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged engine with an advanced electric motor. This setup delivers blistering acceleration while keeping emissions in check. Power output is rumored to be well over 600 horsepower, allowing the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. The instant torque from the electric motor ensures explosive launches, while the refined combustion engine provides thrilling top-end performance. The car is paired with a lightning-fast automatic transmission that delivers seamless gear changes, whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing the car to its limits. An advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and stability, even under hard acceleration. Mercedes has also equipped the 300 SL with adaptive suspension, allowing the car to switch between a comfortable cruising mode and a razor-sharp sport mode at the touch of a button. The steering is precise and communicative, giving drivers confidence and control in every situation. Braking performance is equally impressive, with large high-performance brakes that provide strong stopping power and excellent fade resistance. Optional carbon ceramic brakes are available for those who want the ultimate in performance and durability. Despite its impressive power figures, the hybrid system allows the 300 SL to offer improved fuel efficiency compared to traditional supercars, making it more usable as a daily driver. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL is positioned as a premium luxury sports car. Expected starting prices are likely to be around the $180,000 mark, with fully loaded versions easily crossing $220,000 depending on options and customization. While this places it firmly in the high-end segment, the combination of heritage, cutting-edge technology, and performance makes it a compelling option for collectors and enthusiasts alike. In terms of competition, the 300 SL goes head-to-head with some of the most prestigious names in the automotive world, but what sets it apart is its timeless design and unmistakable Mercedes-Benz character. It's not just about speed or luxury, it's about the emotion it delivers every time you open those iconic Gullwing doors and press the start button. So that's our detailed look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL here on Auto Street. This car isn't just a tribute to the past, it's a bold statement about the future of luxury performance. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Auto Street, and let us know in the comments what you think about the return of the legendary 300 SL. Until next time, keep driving your passion.